it. Like that. Come on, do it. You're funny. He squished this. He squished his bottle until all the milk went to his face. We're waiting for his sister. Come on, do it. David, it's funny. Like that. Come on. Alam mo ba, oh, so many snow. Buti na lang yung kalsada wala. So, hindi siya, it's not slippery. Thankfully, there's no snow in the, maybe it, melted already. Wow! Are you talking? Sometimes he says, K. Ibig sabihin yan, Te. Are you excited to see Ate? Ate. Imagine if you're the eldest, you're called Kuya. Kuya. But right now, you're called Bunso. Bunso is youngest. Kuya is older brother. Bunso, David, Noah. Nasaan na yung ate niya? Ayan na ate niya, oh. Ayun there. Ate's coming! They're so excited to see you! Ate's here! Yay! Ate! Smile, David! Beautiful friends here. There's no many snow today. No many snow. Not many snow. Let's drive going home. Babiyahe tayo pabalik sa bahay. Hi! With the girls. Ito ang ating. Hannah, they want to hear your voice. Can you say something? How's school? How's the... Are you happy of winter?
Ballerina cappuccino.
Naanto ka, boss. Babalik na tayo, may salamat.
No.
What do you like about winter? Hannah? Uy, thankfully, it's not,
He's kicking it.
hindi siya sliding. Are you showing them the view? Hannah, can you please show them the view?
Okay. That's the view. That's the view. It's snowing. It's snow.
We love you, beautiful friends. Andito na tayo sa Osabes. Kapag ka magpapark ka, ilaline mo yung window sa line, tapos papasok mo natin. Sana hindi na usok. She's the camera girl. Hi, thank you. Ito yung bahay, be. O, ayan. Walang masyadong snow pero nag-drive. Nakakatawa. Nakaraos tayo, be. Ay, salamat.